What's a good Black Star Podcast? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Jared. Y'all, today I think we about to take a trip back to the 90s. Cause what this woman got on her damn head, I don't know what the hell this is. Now, y'all see what this woman got on her head. Let's listen to this shit.
Is your name Tara?
Tara, yep.
Tara, where you calling me from?
Phoenix.
Phoenix, how old are you?
39, about to be 40, shorty.
Okay, what's your zodiac sign?
I'm a Leo.
Okay, Leo. Tara, Phoenix, 39. What do you do for a living?
I'm a comedian.
Is that how you pay your bills?
A lot of them, yes.
Okay.
Let me ask you something. Would you rather go see her on doing comedy, or would you rather see me? I can't wait to see what her damn tag is. Cause I want to see what her comedy is.
You have any children?
I do. I got 3 girls.
3 girls. How old are your girls?
18, 16, and 12.
How about the same man?
I adopted.
Oh, they're all adopted?
Every last one of them.
Okay. Oh, aren't you kind? 3 adopted girls. Okay. And I think I got it all. Tara, Phoenix, 39, Leo, comedian. Mine are 3 girls that she adopted. Have you ever been married?
Yes.
When did you get divorced?
2013.
Okay. All right, let's do it, boo. What kind of man you looking for?
Somebody that likes women. Like that'd be a thing for me. Dudes really want a woman, but they don't really like women.
Now, what the hell does that mean? Oh wait, he said he likes women, but the way he talks about women, and it seems like he doesn't. That shit. That makes no damn sense. Even when she said that bullshit, that wig about fell off her damn head.
Okay. Give me an example of that.
So like I've dated in the past, and dudes kind of want women to fulfill the role of wife and girlfriend or whatever, but they can't really support our movements. You know what I'm saying? They're not really supportive of us.
You talking about that bullshit feminist movement? Men were all about women getting equal equality. Problem is, y'all want supremacy. Y'all ain't the feminists of back in the day. They actually had a purpose in what they were fighting for. Y'all fighting to work to go outside and wear no bra, which most of y'all do anyway. Y'all want to go outside and walk around with your nipples and your titties out, slinging all over the fucking place. That's what y'all want. Y'all want to be superior. Problem is, y'all want the ability to be able to do what the fuck you want to do, but not have the consequences. Y'all want to have all the control, but no responsibility of the outcomes. Y'all want to be superior, but don't want to take accountability for what happens after that. Y'all can barely make a logical decision because y'all thinking y'all emotions, which is fine. Y'all women. I mean, what the fuck can you do about it? It's the way your brain works. But the problem is, a lot of y'all want the responsibility, but y'all don't want to take the accountability with it.
So once a man that likes women, once a man that likes women. Oh, I mean, excuse me. Once a man that likes women. Okay.
Support.
Any other requirement? And that supports. Okay. So women are saying that part. There's women that are agreeing with you. Okay. Any other qualities?
Y'all say y'all want a man. Y'all say that y'all want men that likes women. Here's the problem. We do like women. We do love women. We love and adore women. But the problem is, y'all don't want men that are men. Y'all want a man to be a super simp when you need him to be. Y'all want to be able to control that man. Y'all want a nuts snipped man. Y'all want a man that you can control. And the problem is y'all run into men that y'all can't control and y'all getting offended because y'all want to control these men and y'all can't. Y'all want a robot. Y'all want to be able to control every action and determine what he does in life without him saying anything. Y'all don't want to listen to what men are actually saying. So you think it is hate or is men not liking women when in fact it's men trying to protect and correct women's behavior before it gets out of hand. Because let's face it, a lot of what y'all are saying and doing is very self-destructive. Very self-destructive, but then y'all want to put the blame on men when y'all fuck y'all life up. That's why men are tired.
Kindness, somebody that's not complacent, because things are always moving and growing, and somebody that just wants to grow.
Okay. Someone that wants to grow. What are your deal breakers?
I wish you grow a new hairstyle.
I'd have to say somebody with like a lot of children, and it's somebody that wants children.
Okay. So, got you. So you say he can't already have a lot of children?
I mean, if he does, as long as they're older like mine are. Like, I don't want like newer babies.
No new babies. All right. What about look? Should he look a certain way?
I'm 6'2", so.
You're 6'2". Wow. So you want somebody?
I am.
Would you date somebody shorter than you?
I will. Yeah, I have. Yeah.
Okay.
Like I'll say like 5'10" on up.
5'10" on up. Okay. What about money? Should you make a certain amount of money?
I'm more into how you manage it. You know what I'm saying? Because you can have a guy making $100,000, but if he's spending $85,000 at the casino, I mean, you know what I mean? So it's all about how you manage it.
How you manage it. Okay, fair enough. Let's do the Kendra Cam now.
Oh,
you Tara the Stallion.
Oh, girl, I am so tall. I didn't even think you was gonna pick me. I was like, let me get on here and see what Kendra's talking about. Hold on, let me jump up. Let me see if I can set this up in my living room. I'm gonna try this. Let me pull my skirt down. These is house clothes. You please don't judge me. Please don't.
They're gonna judge you, girl.
Oh, I know they are. But these are house clothes.
Wait, what's
Definitely house clothes.
Oh, you had your breasts all in our face.
What the fuck do I say about this? Why should I know? Oh, Jesus Christ. Why should I melt the ice cream? Should I melt the ice cream with sprinkles? God damn. I'm going to hell for all this shit I'm saying. What the fuck?
Okay. Is that a shirt or a bra?
This is one of the Ivy Park shirts. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I've never seen a shirt like that in my damn life.
See, girl.
That straight up look like a fucking bra. Talking about is a shirt. That is a damn bra. What the? Oh my God! What the fuck is going on?
Tara, would you, does the guy have to be in Phoenix?
No,
No, okay. You're 39. What's the age range
yeah.
you would date?
Probably no higher than 50.
50. Okay, 39 and 50?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, when was your last relationship?
2022.
So what is it, 22 years ago? Okay.
Yeah.
You don't have to answer, but I'm gonna ask. When's the last time you was intimate with someone?
Like about a week ago. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah.
Was it a week ago?
Yeah.
Well, what's up with that guy?
We're cool. It was maintenance.
You got the maintenance man coming in the back door to hit it from the back. You got the maintenance man. Boy, you can't make this shit up. You got the maintenance man. You got the maintenance man coming in, hitting it from the back, and fixing your pipes at night. What? What the fuck is this? This is some bull. Boy, I'm done.
We're
So
gonna
you
be
needed a
honest.
tune-up. You needed a tune-up.
Just a tuna. That's exactly what my friend called it.
Nah, we ain't calling that a damn tune-up. She need a damn rebuild. What the fuck? That ain't a damn tune-up. That's a rebuild. I fucking hate these people. Fuck.
She said, "Girl, that was just a tuna." I said, "Okay, we
Let
grown."
me ask you this: why is he not a real option?
Distance
He be coming in the door too much.
was a huge thing for him, not me.
Okay. Where does he live?
He is in Chicago.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So
Wait, how is the maintenance man in Chicago and you in your state? You in Phoenix and he in Chicago. Is it the milkman? Oh my god, you can't make this shit up.
So for him, okay, got you. Now, 3 flaws you have to work on.
3 flaws I have to work on. Um, flaws. I'm kind of working on myself, so I would say, ooh, flaws. I wasn't ready for this question, so okay.
You wasn't ready from this. You wasn't ready for this question, but you came on here with the damn that 1989 Janet Jackson wig on, looking like melted, looking like ice cream. And you talking about I'm not ready for this question. You can't make this goofy shit up.
I'm working on my weight. That's one thing I'm constantly working on. You know, that goes up and down. Another thing is I'm in school, so I am like adjusting financially to everything with me being in school and a comedian and a mom. So I just want to get my money up again. You know what I mean? And as far as my spirit, like I stay prayed up. You know what I'm saying? So I just want to do that more.
Okay. Okay. And why would a guy be lucky to be with you?
I'm funny as shit. He'll be laughing the whole time. He'll be laughing, cracking up, kikiing. And I'm a little sister to like 6 brothers, so I'm a good guy bestie. Like I'm a good guy bestie.
He's a good guy,
Yeah.
bestie. Okay. So Tara Phoenix, 39, comedian. Did I ask you if you make a certain amount of money?
Yep.
What
And
was
we
your
talked
answer?
about money. It was money management. It was more
Oh
so
yeah,
money
yes, you
management.
said. Okay. She has 3 girls. She adopted though, so she wants a man that's family oriented. If you already have kids, have them be older. No new babies, she called it.
No new babies.
Okay. Tara, have you downloaded the Kendra G Singles dating app yet?
Here we go with that fucking app again. At this point, this is just comedy. At this point, this goofy shit. This is comedy. At this point, none of this goofy shit ever makes sense. None of this shit is ever gonna make sense. It's all about the fucking bread at this point. If you got this much hot garbage going on, you can't make this bullshit up. I'm just. I'll catch y'all later. I'm going to bed. I'm tired. Like, share, subscribe, channel, support the podcast on Spotify.com. I'm about to go take me a damn drink. I'll see y'all later. Bye, guys.